What's up, guys? This video is basically going to talk about Japan and how we're having like a very low uh, rate of infection and rate of contagiousy and fatality, mortality rate. I'm not going to really talk about other stats for other countries or whatever, but just going to talk about like some of the reasons why we're not getting hit so heavily. Actually, I have a theory that we might have got the first wave a little earlier, just because geographically we are closer to China, as you know. The distance is closer. However, what I want to talk about is number one. We have a mask wearing culture here. A lot of people wear a mask, so therefore, having the mask wearing culture, uh, you know, that's why doctors wear masks, because it does prevent the spread of infectious disease that are airborne through your respiratory system. It does protect you from airborne illnesses and, the spread of germs, cold, flu, things like that. So that's why you see a lot of doctors in the hospital or during surgery. They protect themselves, and it also protects the patient, from any sort of exposure to anything that's contagious. So that's number one. Number two, we do have like a social distancing culture already. I mean, people, although it is crowded in some big cities like Tokyo and Osaka, people tend to be more polite and mindful of their distance, even in crowded places. People tend to avoid to push or touch each other. So that's a good one. And so those are the main reasons. And if you really like this video and you want to hear more about Japan in culture or any sort of related topics, please hit the like, subscribe, and comment below. And that's all we gotta say. Enjoy the rest of the video, and we'll talk to you soon. All right.